Good morning. This is just kind of like a quick update. We are going to Vegas. Vegas in April for a couple days, and I'm gonna shoot some videos there. I'm thinking about going to the Mob Museum. That looks interesting. And then White Castle, of course, because White Castle. And then that's gonna be it for April. And then August, we're going on a cruise, 8-day cruise. That's gonna be exciting. There's gonna be a lot of content for that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then January we have another cruise, so that's exciting. I'm gonna post some videos on what to expect on those probably pretty soon, probably the next couple weeks. You know, some tips and tricks you can use if you're ever interested on cruising, if you're new at it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to the tax office today, so I gotta pay $1. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be fun. I need a vacation, so and then 2 years from now, we are going on a 15-day cruise to Hawaii, and I've never been to Hawaii, so it's gonna be pretty exciting. I don't know what to expect with that. It's the longest cruise sailing I've ever done, 15 days. I normally like to stick with like 7, maybe 8. If you're new, I'm gonna give you a piece of advice. If you're new, I would do a 5-day cruise, because you don't know how you'll react on a cruise ship. You might be very sensitive to it, and you know, you might get seasick if you're not used to it. My first cruise, I wasn't seasick. I mean, my childhood, I was on a boat. I mean, but it might affect you differently, you know. But yeah, if you notice, I have a crack on my windshield. Yeah, it happened like I think last week, and I guess Jennifer was driving, and I guess a truck switched lanes and a rock hit the windshield, so we'll have to fix that eventually. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on now. I mean, there isn't anything else. Ever since we came back from Disney, we were getting like, we were itching to get another vacation, so here we are with 3 more vacations coming up in the late future. We also we saw this trip, I think it's for Royal Caribbean, and man, I forget what the ship is called, but it looked really nice. We were kind of interested in that, but I mean, that was just in the thought process. We didn't really like look into it any further. We saw yeah, you know, just pull out in front of me and then slow down. Nice. lost my train of thought because of this jerk up in front of me. Royal Caribbean. It's a new ship. I forget what it's called, but we saw it on a YouTube channel by EECC Travels, and they do cruise ships and everything else. They're also travel agents, like myself. They're a little bit more seasoned than I am. They've been doing it for a while. But they kind of took a tour of the ship, and man, it looks nice. So we're kind of interested in that. Not sure when we'll do that though. That's kind of in the way future. If we do, that would be the first time we've ever done Royal Caribbean. I've never done it. The only thing outside of Carnival is the Princess, and that's kind of like a sister company. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty chill day today, except I have to go to work at 3. But other than that, it's pretty chill. Let's see. So yeah, there'll be tips and tricks. I'll go over the what the CDC and the Carnival, how the Carnival COVID policy is. I know they just updated it after. It's not on me at the moment, but I know for right now they are. You're able to not have to wear a mask, but in certain areas, you might have to wear a mask. But I'll go over that. I'll go over that a little closer. I can read it and go from there. But yeah, I mean, some things are looking up, so I'm excited. I'm excited for Vegas. I get to see my mom and her fiance Mark, and we're gonna be in Vegas, and I'm gonna try to post some videos. We got a free I think 2-day stay at MGM Park. I don't know if you've ever played My Vegas. It's an app on Android and iOS, and you earn a bunch of points, and we have enough points to get like free hotel room stays, and some of the pretty nice hotels in Vegas. So we're excited about that. Really nice hotel. So I'll give a tour with that, and I'll give a tour of the room and everything else like I normally do. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it, you know. That's pretty much. We don't really have like a plan. I'd like to go to Fremont Street because that's where the party's at, and you know there's a bunch of lights and everything else, and get a couple drinks, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Hope everyone has a good day. Enjoy yourselves.